fullback Harris goes out to the slot. They will throw the football here. Banks steps up in the pocket. Oh, and he is hit and goes down for the sack. Tyler Roberts in the backfield. Gadsden City has a 1st and goal at the 7-yard line. Banks under center, Harris Smith in the I formation. Banks steps up, he's going down. He is sacked. Another sack, Banks. 4 wide receivers for the Titans. Pressure again by the Bucks. And they get to Banks. He tries to spin out, but he goes down. Tyler Roberts with the sack.
There and able to survey the field and make his throw. Back to pass. This time he's got a little pressure. He rolls out to his right. He has got Bucks everywhere, and he is going down. That's number 44, Tyler Roberts in the field. The ball is loose. The ball is loose, and the Bucks have picked it up.
He's going to stay in the shotgun most of the night. Montarius Drake, as well as Kevin Woody in the backfield with him. That time it's going to be Woody. He's going to get the ball, and he is going backwards. Tyler Roberts absolutely all over that play. Sideline to the coaches, gets the play. He's going to roll to his right, little option look. He's going to keep, and he'll pick up a couple of yards on that play. Tyler Roberts was in on the tackle from the defensive end spot. Lost to throw it again. Just step up in the pocket and go down. Tyler Roberts with the sack. This time it's a toss to the outside. They're going to start at the 7-yard line, 1st and 10. That's Jones at quarterback. He's going to give it ahead to Woody. He's going to pick up out 1 yard. Another 1st down play. They're going to give it to Drake again, and he is stopped in the backfield. Tyler Roberts, outstanding play on that one.
Tyler Roberts just closed very well, saw what was going on, read the play, closed and pinched down, made the tackle for a, looks like they're going to have no gain on that play.
Less than 1 yard to go for the 1st down. Gadsden City's moved it here on their first 2 plays of this possession. Give it straight ahead to Harris. He's hitting the backfield, going to be very close.
I think he's shy based on the spot that the line.
Waiting a little bit off the line. They rush to the line of scrimmage. As Ray Cato is in at quarterback. He's going to give to Williams, and he's going to be stopped in the backfield. Ragland to the right side. He stopped for a very short gain. Kick is going to be taken about the 8-yard line. Outside about the 24 goes Blake Dunn. And he is hit very hard right there by Tyler Roberts. So excellent job